Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever since I've filmed a video and it's kind of weird that I'm doing the Boxycharm unboxing so late in the month, but you know what? I haven't gotten a chance to try out these products yet, so I still wanted to try them out for you guys and let you know what I think. So yeah, today I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing. It feels so weird to be filming again. I totally have forgotten how I even do my intro or my outro. So yeah, I was just really excited about the products we got in the box this month, and I still wanted to try them out and let you guys know what I think about them. So the first one is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. Kind of a weird name for a face mask, but it's a pore purifying mask. I'm excited to try this, and I feel silly because I swear I just did a face mask like 2 days ago, and I hadn't done one in forever, and I forgot that we got this in the box, or I would have tested it out already. But with those kind of things, it takes me a little bit more time to figure out what I like. Normally, I would update you guys on that kind of thing in my monthly favorites. Obviously, for April, I'm not going to have a monthly favorites video, mostly because I honestly haven't even been wearing makeup lately. Anything that I've done has been very minimal, but it'll be a good video coming up soon that I can do for you guys on kind of my new routine with the nice weather that we've been having and just when I'm in a rush or don't feel like doing a full face of makeup, so I'll do that soon. The first thing I want to try is the BrowGal. It's called the BrowGal, the Instant Brown Hair 02 Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. This is kind of like what the brush looks like. It's very weird, honestly, but I'm going to give it a try. I haven't put anything on my brows. I just wanted to try this alone. I mean, you guys can see what a big difference that made in my eyebrows. And I was so excited to get this in the box because obviously, like I told you guys, I have been doing really minimal makeup looks and kind of just rushing out the door. Probably the only time that I've honestly done a full face of makeup this month is just like when I went out on a couple of dates, and that's about it. I'm gonna have to test this out more and see like the wear factor, if it's gonna last all day or not, but so far so good. I mean, it looks nice and it's just so simple and easy to do, so I really like that. I know a lot of people will usually fill in their brows with a pencil and then go in with this. I don't know if I'll do that. I don't really think it's necessary. I feel like my eyebrows would be a little too done up if I did that. Okay, so the next thing in the box is the Tarte Pro Glow. It's a liquid highlighter and it's in the shade Stunner. It's such pretty packaging. I love Tarte stuff. It always looks so pretty. But honestly, I don't know how I'm going to feel about this. I have tried the powder version of Stunner and I really didn't like it. I felt like it emphasized the texture on my face and it emphasized my friend's pores because my best friend actually had this as the powder version of the highlight and I felt like it really emphasized like her pores and the texture on my face even. I tried it several times at her house and I just wasn't a fan, so we'll see what I think about this one. You know what stinks? I'm going to have to either use my finger or a brush because I actually don't have a new sponge on me right now. I need to purchase another one. So I guess I'll start off with my finger and then just see from there. I think usually using a sponge is your best bet with these, but I feel like, you know, during the summer I'd really want to use a liquid highlighter. I don't know if this is something that I'd really necessarily use because I can already see like a lot of glitter. That's the only thing. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's definitely a very bold highlight and it's really nice and you guys know how much I love highlighter, but I don't know. I'm not usually into the whole glitter highlight thing, but I feel like I would like to use this like during the summer on those days where I just really want my highlight to pop and I don't mind a little bit of glitter. So yeah, honestly, I don't think this is my favorite thing in the box just because, like I said, it's glittery and I really thought that the liquid version of this highlight would not make any texture stand out, but I feel like it kind of does. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, probably not because I'm not close enough, but I feel like it is making my texture stand out a little bit more, so I don't know. I'll give it a try. It might look better when I apply it with a sponge. Maybe it'll look a little bit different. We'll see. I mean, it's a very blinding highlight, don't get me wrong. I feel like this would be fun to wear on certain days when I'm just in the mood for that kind of thing, but not on a regular basis. Next thing in the box I was really excited about because you guys know how much I just love Colourpop and everybody got a Colourpop eyeshadow palette in the box this month, so that was really exciting. I got the My Little Pony eyeshadow palette. Look at that packaging, it's so cute. I swear if my daughter was older she would totally steal this from me. I just know it. She hasn't even seen this palette yet. She's gonna want to try it, but she's not old enough to be wearing makeup right now, as far as I'm concerned. I'm just gonna go in with this like white bone shade first, as I pretty much always do that. But yeah, I figure I'll just skip reading those. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. I have really missed playing around with eyeshadow. I have not done it in so long. All of my looks lately have been so quick and easy. I just haven't bothered. It's a really pretty shade. I love Colourpop's eyeshadows. I feel like they do such a great job. And it's like so inexpensive. It's just amazing. I think most of these are usually like $16, I want to say. So yeah. Alright, next I think I really want to try this color. I don't know why. That's the color that's like standing out to me, so we'll see. I think I'm going to take this shade right here. It's not the white bone shade. This one's more of like a yellowish, I don't know. It looks kind of powdery, but we'll see. And I'm going to put this right here. So then I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara and then go in with the last thing in the box. I think it's really pretty. I'm actually really surprisingly happy with this palette. I didn't think I would be, but I feel like they have so many great colors in here. I feel like I can create a lot of good looks with it, and I don't mind because I love it. As long as palettes have like a really great transition shade for me for the crease and, I don't know, like a good lid shade, I'm pretty much good to go with just those two, so that's great. So the last thing in the box was this Adesse, I think it is. I might be pronouncing that wrong, sorry. But it says Adesse, I think. High definition liquid lipstick, and I got mine. I don't see a shade name for this, which is really weird, honestly. Hopefully the lip color goes okay with the eye look. Not a big deal. I'm not really planning on doing much today anyways, but... So it smells great. I think it's a really pretty color. It's giving my lips like a weird, cooling, minty, tingly kind of feeling, I guess, when I put it on, which I really wasn't expecting. That's okay. For some reason, I thought that this was going to be like a matte, like transfer-proof liquid lipstick, but it didn't say that on the box, so I don't know why I thought that. It's definitely not going to dry down, so, I mean, it's not my favorite thing. If I go with anything like this, it's usually not a liquid lipstick. It's more, I'll either go with full-on gloss, a lip balm, or matte. I'm not really into just normal liquid lipsticks, but that's fine. I feel like my friend would really love this, so I'll probably just end up giving that to her. I never even told you guys what the theme of the box was. That's how out of practice I am. I guess it was eye candy, and it came with this cute little pamphlet, and it shows all the products. Like, this is a lot different pamphlet than they usually give us. I think it's really cute, and I like it. I mean, the highlighter was $29, the eyeshadow was $16, the mask was $47. That's a lot, and this is a full-size bottle. Like, that's crazy to me. Hopefully it's really great then. The brow gel was $22, and the liquid lipstick was $24, so we got a great deal in our box this month. I think out of everything, I'm most excited about the brow and the eyeshadow palette. I think these were my two favorites in the box. I love getting anything Colourpop, so that's awesome. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.